Hello everyone, we have given 9 plus 1 equal 5, 16 plus 2 equal 8, 25 plus 3 equal 11, then 4 plus 4 is what? So can you find the number that fills this logical sequence? Comment your comment what number you found and watch my solution in this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I ask you to subscribe it and hit the notification bell because here on the channel we daily uploaded free videos that train your mind in reasoning as well as basic to advanced maths. So now take a good look to this resolution. 9 plus 1 equal 5. So if I'll do square root of 9, that is 3, and add the twice of second digit, that means 2 times 1. So I'll get 3 plus 2, 5. Now check. Square root of 16 is 4 and twice the second digit. 4 plus 4, that is 8. Similarly, square root of 25, 5, twice the next digit. 5 plus 6, 11. So all applicable. Now find out 4 plus 4. Square root of 4 is 2 plus 2 times 4, 8. So 2 plus 8 is 10. So what replace the question mark? 10. Comment down below if you already cracked the logic of this logical sequence. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.